This is how you stop Excel from changing numbers to dates. This is particularly true for fractions. For example, if you enter 1/2, you'll get January 2nd. To remediate that, we press Ctrl+1 and change the cell formatting to general. Instead of a fraction, we'll get a number of days since January 2nd, 2026. This is how to get around it. Select your cells, e.g., D5 to D12. Press Ctrl+1 to launch your Format Cells menu. Make sure you are in the Number tab. If we select Fraction, the fraction format option here does not work for what we're trying to do, and it will give the decimal value in the formula, also rounds to the nearest fraction that fits the chosen format constraints. So we select Text and click OK. Now, if you enter a fraction in a cell, it will preserve both the integrity and the appearance of a fraction. That's it.